Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry, I know I have been missing for a long time now, but that is because of the lot of things going on in my personal life, good things of course. So I'm finally settled back and ready to talk to you guys. If you are new here, like landed up on my page somehow today for the first time, then I'm Shivani. I create beauty and skincare content for all of you. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that you guys do not miss out on anything that I put out. Also follow me on my Instagram. This is the handle, and today I'm going to talk about a product that I'm very surprised by. I thought I will not really like it, but I like it a lot. I'm talking about Requil Sheer Zinc Tinted Sunscreen. This is the mineral sunscreen, and yeah, without wasting a single moment, let's quickly jump into the video. So if you guys have been following me for some time, you guys already know I've always struggled with tinted sunscreens. I've not been able to somehow find my way around them. So when Requil sent me this sunscreen very kindly, of course to share my honest opinion, I just jumped into the opportunity because I love Requil. You guys know that already again. So I just thought that let me try this, and I am quite surprised by how this sunscreen works. So I'm just going to share each and everything about this sunscreen with you guys today. So this is their 100% mineral sunscreen, which is basically a physical sunscreen, which unlike the chemical sunscreens don't really penetrate the skin. Rather they sit on the top of the skin and create like a barrier or shield between your skin and the sun rays. Basically they just help you reflect the sun rays away from your face, away from your skin, and that is how they really work. This one has 25% zinc as the only filter, and it has a slight tint which blends onto your skin beautifully and gives you a slight coverage, not a lot but a very slight coverage, along with the sun protection of course. And this is a very well formulated sunscreen, I must admit that. This one is SPF 50 with broad spectrum and IR protection, along with the rating of PA3+. In terms of texture and formulation, this one is very mousse like, very matte, I must say. Even I had my doubts in the beginning, but it has a great spreadability and it blends onto your skin beautifully. I'm just going to show you guys the texture. See, this is the texture. Of course I've taken a lot out, so that's why it looks a little heavy, but hold on, I'll show you. Just see. Great spreadability and great texture, very soft, very blendable, and I really enjoy using this one, I must say that. You really have to work on blending this one properly. If you do it properly, it does not leave a white cast. It is very lightweight. It is not one of those sunscreens, especially tinted sunscreens, which feel very, heavy, very dry, very tacky on your skin. This one definitely does not feel like that at all. Even though it's matte, it's very hydrating for some reason. It's not very drying. It keeps your skin quite nourished. This is a 50 grams tube that retails for rupees 795, but you can use my code Shivani20 and avail flat 20% off on your cart. The good thing is you can also use this one underneath your makeup, like a SPF underneath your makeup, which also works as a primer. So this is a steal deal when it comes to that. Definitely I suggest moisturize your face really well, because if you have a dry skin type, this might be a little, not much, but a little drying. If you have a combination or oily skin, this might just go perfectly well, but for dry skin people, moisturize. Pro tip. Also always apply sunscreen at least 15 to 20 minutes prior stepping out of the house, because that is the amount of time your sunscreen sort of takes to blend onto your skin and create like a shield, like I've shared before also. Now talking about my experience with this sunscreen, I must say I absolutely love this sunscreen. But my only problem is that since it is again a tinted sunscreen, I feel this does not really go well with my skin tone. I feel it makes me look little reddish, or I don't know, it just does not really suit my skin tone. But I feel for somebody with a deeper skin tone than mine, this is a steal deal, because this would look gorgeous on you, you know. So definitely go for this one. Apart from this fact, I don't have any other complaint when it comes to this sunscreen. Although the brand says that it blends onto all skin types beautifully, I feel it does not really. And it is not only my experience, you know, I have made a few of my friends also try this one, and people with my skin tone or lighter skin tone than me have the same complaint. So I just feel that maybe it does not really work. But I have to say that this is the best tinted sunscreen that I have used till date in my life, because this is very lightweight, you know, and it is non-drying, you know, unlike most of the physical sunscreens. It is very moisturizing, even though it does not have any hydrating property. If you read the ingredients list, there is no hydrating property at all. But even after that, it is quite moisturizing. It is not tacky or patchy. It is very comfortable, and it gives that very light sheer kind of coverage, and I really like this sunscreen. And given the price, you know, given the price for this kind of sunscreen, this is a steal deal, like I already said. Also, it completely blurs out the pores, you know. That is something that I have noticed. When you apply this on your skin, this one helps you blur the pores. So if you are somebody who struggles with larger pores, then definitely go for this one. And it also works with your makeup, so definitely a nice catch this one would be. So overall, I really like this sunscreen. Very comfortable, very light. I only wish that Requil comes up with more, you know, tints, like more shades of tints. Requil, are you listening? I'm sure then maybe a lot of us would be happy. So yeah, I must say that I really like this sunscreen. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'm sure you guys learned something about the product I spoke about today. If you did, please let me know in the comment section, and definitely let me know what kind of content do you guys really want to watch, you know, on my channel, because I have come back with a sudden revived, rejuvenated energy, and I definitely do not want to stop now. So I want to be more creative, more experimental, and I definitely want to give you what you guys really want or need. So help me out with that. And yeah, that's it for today. I'm going to see you guys very soon. You guys have an amazing day today. Lots of love to each one of you.